numerator to make the reciprocal. For example, you need to find out the reciprocal of say 101. So 101 is as good as 101 upon 1, and reciprocal of that is 1 upon 101. You have to flip the whole number simply. Flipping means to make the numerator denominator and to make the denominator as numerator. For example, you need to find out something reciprocal of, let you have to find out the reciprocal of something like this, say 63. So 63 is as good as 63 by 1, and reciprocal of this is 1 by 63. So finding the reciprocal of a whole number is very simple. You just have to flip it. You have to make it 1 upon that number. Okay. So this is whole number, a fraction. Now let's try to understand how the reciprocal of a fraction is made. Suppose you have been given fraction say 1 by 3, and reciprocal of it is as simple as that. You have to flip the fraction, so it would become 1 by 3's fraction would become 3 by 1. For example, you are asked to find the reciprocal of 4 by 7, it is 7 by 4. Or suppose you need to find out the fraction of x by 5, so it is 5 by x. Or a by 3, it is 3 by a. It is m by n, then it is n by m. So reciprocal means to flip the number to make the numerator as denominator and make the denominator as numerator. For example, you need to make a reciprocal of, let's say, 9 by 13. So reciprocal would be, these are not equal, these are reciprocals. Reciprocal would be 13 by 9. Okay. For example, you need to find out the reciprocal of say x minus y by 3. So what you will be doing? You will be doing reciprocal like this. It would be like this, 3 by x minus y. Suppose you are asked to make the reciprocal of a by b minus a minus b by c minus d. Reciprocal of it would be c minus d by a minus b. Reciprocal of x minus 1 upon 2 minus y would be, reciprocal would be 2 minus y upon x minus y. What you need to do is just to make the numerator as denominator and denominator as numerator. Minus 4 by 3, reciprocal would be minus 3 by 4. Here you need to understand that minus 4 by 3, 4 by minus 3, or minus 4 by 3, all are same things. Just the way of writing is different. So in the same way, all reciprocals would be like this: 3 by minus 4, minus 3 by 4, or minus 3 by 4. These are the reciprocals of this, and these three are as equal as each other, and these three are as equal as each other. Similarly, reciprocal of minus x plus y upon a plus b would be equal to a plus b upon x plus y, and minus sign would be there. So finding reciprocal of a fraction is just flipping the fraction to make the numerator as denominator and to make the denominator as numerator. Now the third thing is to find the reciprocal of a mixed number. Suppose the mixed number is pi 1 by 4. So reciprocal is find out is making it into an improper fraction. First you have to convert it into improper proper fraction. And what is improper fraction? Improper fraction means where the numerator is greater than the denominator. So you first have to convert it into improper fraction, and in improper fraction denominator would be same. And now numerator would be what? You have to multiply this denominator with this whole part. That means 4 times 5, and then you have to add this numerator into that. So it would be 20 plus 1, that is 21. So improper fraction of this number would be 21 by 4, and reciprocal would be now simple 4 by 21. Let's take another example of mixed number. Suppose you are given that find the reciprocal of 7 1 by 3. So first you have to convert into improper fraction. What is improper fraction of 7 1 by 3? Denominator would be 3 and numerator would be, first you have to multiply these two, 7 3 7 times 3 or 3 times 7, and then you have to add 1 into it. So it would be 21 plus 1, that is 22. So improper fraction would be 22 by 3 and reciprocal would be 3 by 22. Okay. Another example, suppose you need to find out the reciprocal of 9 11 by 13. So improper fraction would be 13 will be in denominator, and then you have to multiply 9 13s are 117, then you have to add 11 into 117, 13 nines are 117, and plus you have to add 11 into it, 117 plus 11 128. So it would be 128 by 13, and reciprocal of this would be 13 by 128. Similarly, what you need to do when you are asked to find the reciprocal of, let's say uh, let's say 10 2 by 9, then first you have to convert it into improper fraction. Improper fraction would be 9 in the denominator, and 9 tens are 90, 90 plus 2, 92 by 9, and then reciprocal would be 9 by 92. Okay, so this is the way to convert the mixed number into first improper fraction and then writing its reciprocal. Okay, now reciprocal of a decimal number. Suppose you are asked to find the decimal number 0.5, and now you have to find out the reciprocal of 0.5. So first of all you will convert it into a fraction. 0.5 would be equal to 5 by 10, and then reciprocal would be 10 by 5. Why 5 by 10? Because point is after one place, so you have to make denominator as 10 to make the point eliminated. Suppose you need to find out the reciprocal of 2 by 2.33. So 2.33 is equal to 233 by 100, because there are point is after two places, so you have to write 100 in the denominator, and the reciprocal would be 100 by 233. Suppose you need to find out the reciprocal of 1.04. So it would be 104 by 100, and reciprocal would be 100 by 104. Suppose now you need to find out the reciprocal of 0.09. So reciprocal, first you have to convert it into fraction number, that is 9 by 100. and reciprocal would be 100 upon 9. Suppose you need to find out the reciprocal of 0.02. So it would be 2 by 100. Writing the zeros in the ahead of 2 is as good as writing 2. So 2 by 100 and reciprocal would be 100 by 2. You can simplify it further, and 100 by 2 is 50. So reciprocal of 0.02 is actually 50. Finding the reciprocal of, suppose, say, minus 7.0104. So it would be minus 70104 by how many zeros? 1, 2, 3, 4. So you need to write out 10,000 in the denominator. So reciprocal would be what? Reciprocal would be minus 10,000 by 70104. Reciprocal of minus 0.5, it is as good as 5 by 10, and reciprocal is minus 10 by 5, and minus 10 by 5 is equal to minus 2. Okay, so this is how you can find out the reciprocal of different set of numbers, whether it is whole number or even negative integer. One thing you further need to understand, negative integers reciprocal, suppose minus 3, it is as good as minus 1 by 3. Reciprocal, the reciprocal number is minus 1 by 3. Minus x by 4, reciprocal would be minus 4 by x. Minus 3 by y, reciprocal would be minus y by 3. Okay, reciprocal of minus 17 is minus 1 by 17. So reciprocal number is just flipping the number, flipping the numerator into denominator and flipping the denominator into numerator, making it vertically invert, whether it is a whole number, a fraction, a mixed number, a decimal number, or even a negative integer. You can now easily find out the reciprocal number, write out the reciprocal number after watching this video very carefully. Okay, happy learning. Thank you.